Hello everyone, good to see you again. Let's get it on. Well, this is Workbook Part 6b. Alright, do you like mornings? Vocabulary, a typical day. Everyone, what does it mean, typical? A normal day. Very well. Complete the verb phrases. For example, TV, watch TV, right? Stop the video, do it, check it with your partner, play the video, alright. Number 2, do housework. Number 3, go to work. Number 4, have a sandwich. Number 5, get up. Number 6, make dinner. Number 7, go shopping. Number 8, go to bed. Well done. Okay, write the words in the chart. For example, have breakfast, go to bed, right? A coffee. Have a coffee. Let's do it together. Check with your partner. Check. Good. Let's see. Yes. Have a coffee, have dinner, have lunch, have a sandwich. Go to bed, go home, go to school, go to the gym, go to work. Well done. Pronunciation. Sentence stress. Listen and repeat.
File 6b. Pronunciation. 1. I start work at 9 in the morning. 2.
She has a coffee at 10:15.
3. They have a sandwich at a cafe. 4.
You finish work at 6:30.
5. We do housework on weekends. 6.
He watches TV in the evening.
Great, good, well done. Now, complete the text, right? I'm Mike and I'm a factory worker. I work at night and I sleep during the day. I finish work at 8 o'clock in the morning and then Alright, this is your part. Do it. Check with your partner. Okay, let's do it together. And then I go home and go to bed. I get up at about 2:30 in the afternoon. And I have a big breakfast. Eggs, potatoes, sausage, and of course a lot of coffee. I go to the gym after breakfast. Then I take a shower and I watch TV. At 7 o'clock in the evening, I have dinner. Then I go to work again. You're doing good. Keep it up. Okay. Grammar. Adverbs of frequency. Do you remember? Always, never, usually, right? Sometimes. Great. So rewrite the sentences. Rewrite. Use the words in the parentheses. For example, I get up early. Always. I always get up early. Right? And in part B, look at the chart, okay, and complete the sentences. For example, this is always, 3 ticks, usually, 1 tick, sometimes, and X, never. For example, Diego go to the gym. Diego never goes to the gym, right? Again, stop the video, do it and check it with your partner. Play the video. Let's go. From number 2, Yasmin goes to school by bus usually. Yasmin usually goes to school by bus. Number 3, you never do housework. Number 4, we have fish for dinner. He sometimes have fish for dinner. Andy goes to the gym always. Andy always goes to the gym. Never. I never watch TV in the morning. Sometimes. We sometimes go shopping on the weekends. And usually. We usually have coffee for breakfast. Good. Now number 2, it's about Diego. He sometimes reads magazines. Number 3, he always watches soccer on TV. Number 4, he usually gets up early. Number 5, Ben always goes to the gym. 6, he usually reads magazines. 7, she sometimes watches soccer on TV. And 8, she never gets up early. Good, you did very well. Now we have a listening here. Listen to the interview with Tony. This is Tony. They are talking to Tony. Yes. Okay. Now circle the things he usually or always does on the weekend. So circle things he usually or always does on the weekend. Let's go.
File 6B. Listening.
Tony, what time do you get up on weekends?
I usually get up late, about 10 o'clock or 10:30. I never get up early. After that, I always take a shower and have a big breakfast.
Do you have coffee or tea with breakfast?
Well, actually, I never drink coffee or tea. I usually have orange juice.
What do you do after breakfast?
I usually read the newspaper and listen to music.
Do you do housework?
Sometimes, but not usually.
What do you do in the afternoon?
Nothing special. I sometimes go to the gym.
What do you do in the evening?
I always go out with my friends. We usually go to a party and dance.
Good. Great. So, what does he usually do or always do on the weekend? Check with your partner. Okay, yes. Taking a shower, reading the newspaper, and dancing. Now, there are some things that he never does. Listen again, put X over the things he never does on the weekend. Let's go.
File 6B. Listening.
Tony, what time do you get up on weekends?
I usually get up late, about 10 o'clock or 10:30. I never get up early. After that, I always take a shower and have a big breakfast.
Do you have coffee or tea with breakfast?
Well, actually, I never drink coffee or tea. I usually have orange juice.
What do you do after breakfast?
I usually read the newspaper and listen to music.
Do you do housework?
Sometimes, but not usually.
What do you do in the afternoon?
Nothing special. I sometimes go to the gym.
What do you do in the evening?
I always go out with my friends. We usually go to a party and dance.
So, what are the things he never does? Never. Let's see. Check with your partner. Yes, he never gets up early. And next one, you can see. Good. Now, these are some useful words and phrases. In a hurry. I'm in a hurry. Quick, come. I'm in a hurry. I got no time. Sitting down, standing up, when, then, after, before, next, about. Thanks for watching. You are doing great. Always do your best.